Well, g'day everyone, welcome back to Hippo's Model Bench, episode 5 of the beat up VW build. So let's get the intro done, get into it. It's going to be a quick one this week, so looking forward to it. Alright, so as we all know, last week I did part 8 of the instructions. This episode I'll probably concentrate on parts 9, 10 and 11. And maybe 12, no, 9, 10 and 11. So what 9 is putting the air filter in, the air cleaner, attaching the front seats and assembling the wheels. So as you can see there, I remember doing this one on my last one, really quite enjoyed that. Sorry about my fingers, a bit dirty, I've just been gardening. I'm getting old. There's putting the back seat or the front seats in with the doors. I'll just do a bit of dirtying up of the door in the doors and probably the seats, remembering it is an old VW. And then I'll also be doing the tyres, putting the wheels together, which includes the little chrome hubcaps, but I might even just leave those off because again it's old. I'll leave one on and maybe try to make it just scratched up and horrible, but we don't know yet. So give us a couple of minutes and we'll get into it. Alrighty, so here we are. What we're going to be looking at for this one is we have a few little bits and pieces to put on. We have C28, which is, if we can get that in focus, that little part there. It's all part of the air filter. And then we also have the distributor cap, which is C23, just tiny little bit there, you can't really see, which is going to be red, and A5, which is some sort of hose, which is A3, 4. No, it's not A5. Oh, so these little parts there. I had trouble finding those last time. So, what we have to do, we have to paint all of those bits. So we've got XF19, XF16, XF59 3 parts, and X7 1 part, XF24. So, let me get all these painted up, and I'll obviously be hand painted because they're very small, and I'll come back and show you once that's all done. Alright, so there you go. Episode 5 completed. Pretty happy with the results. So, yeah. Next episode will be the actual rusting of the body. So we'll actually get into that. I'm just going to do a little bit more research. So that might be either tonight or maybe Sunday. It won't be tomorrow because Brisbane Lions hopefully are going to get up over the Collingwood Magpies. We don't like Collingwood and we don't like Magpies because they hurt. Not that Collingwood hurt. Collingwood is shit. Anyway, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, so I'll see you next time.